So you have your Tapo C520WS working on your phone via the Tapo app, and you want to have it working on your laptop using a Windows computer, okay? So there's a solution here that you can emulate this software or this app here on the computer. And then it works anywhere you are. It doesn't matter if you're away from home, you can still watch the video remotely, and you don't need to go to your router and to change ports and anything like this, right? So what I have to do is just come here to your computer, and then you're gonna download this BlueStacks.com. That's the emulator that allows you to play Android software here or run Android software here, okay? So as soon as you download this, you can just open it, and then you can download the same app that you have here on your cell phone back there using the Google Play Store. So just be aware that you need to log in with your account on the Google Play Store. Then you'll be able to download any app, all right? So it's loading up here. You see there's a lot of advertisements that you just need to watch. And just here on the right side, you see this search bar, and you come here and enter Tapo, all right? And here, just pay attention to this. I just need to come down, and here there's this search in Google Play button. You just need to click on it, and then it's going to load here your Tapo app, the TP-Link Tapo. That's the one to go. Just install it, and you can just open and log in with your account. Now you're going to log in with your Tapo account, and you're gonna have the same software, the same app that you have on your phone, all right, with everything. So here I have the Tapo C520WS. I can just open from here, manage from here the card, the updates, and everything else. You can even take a screenshot, do the manual recording, control the volume, talk, pan and tilt as well from here. You can just move the camera. There we go. And you see that works on both devices, on my phone and on my computer at the same time. So super simple, and you can also have more than one camera working when you come here, and you can select single screen or dual screen or 4 screens. Then you can add more cameras here if you have available in the network, other cameras. They're going to show up here with more than one. Then you double click to zoom in, and it works pretty fine, okay? So super simple, you have the software working here, the app working here, with your Tapo C520WS. Hope you liked this video, so please just subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.